guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput Blogs. Today I'm just telling about the update of the Mphasis joining update. There was a good information regarding the next batch for the August session. There was a 17th of August for the joining mail. Candidate have received the update. Most of the candidate have received update for the 17th of August 2023. So guys, there will be the next joining date will be announced, and when will be the remaining candidate will be the onboarded. So I'm just telling about in this video all the information update about the onboarding and next batch remaining and important update news. So guys, just keep in touch with the video and keep in touch with the channel. So just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput Blog and press the bell icon for notifications. So guys, just continue about the information. So guys, there was a good information for the Mphasis candidate. The last 2 to 3 months many candidates have not received the update. They are just waiting for the opportunities for the 2022 batch candidates. So guys, just I'm telling about this is the second joining after the 2 to 3 months of waiting for the candidate of the 17th of August. This type of mail have received by the candidate. Your date of joining will be the 17th August 2023. All the semester mark sheet, degree certificate, PAN card, Aadhaar card and passport. So guys, I've done another also video for the 15th of August about the last onboarding update for the gynae. So you can also watch the video from my playlist where you can get the information about the Mphasis of the last previous update. So guys, there was a chance for the candidate. There will be the I'm just in a previous video I'm just telling about there will be chance for the 20 to 25 between the candidate who will be receiving the next onboarding update. So guys, just I'm telling about you are required to flexible to relocate and Mphasis location as per the business requirement. So guys, so guys, you have mentioned about the considering the current pandemic situation, we have planned to remote onboarding and online training for the now. So below are the mandatory infrastructure requirement and other terms and conditions. So guys, about the 17th of August, there will be the chances for the candidate who will be the remote onboarding and online training for the now. So guys, the candidate who have just received the past about the onboarding, they will be also getting the information about their joining will be in a online training will be in a online mode, and there will be the chances for the candidate for the remote onboarding. So guys, just prepare yourself for your all the document update, and for the verification also for the physically onboarding may be possible in the month of September also for the remaining candidate who have just not received the update for the remaining, like that having the joining in the last after the repel mail hire. So guys, I'm telling about there was a good another information. You are required to work in any shift as per the business requirement. So guys, they have just onboarding the candidate, and they will be giving you the role about the associate software engineer or something like software engineer according to the business requirement. So after the onboarding, there will be a gap between the like having the 1 month delay or 2 months after the training. You should have to face some circumstances also. I'm just telling about the information before just joining about the confirmation of the any shift according to the business requirement. And see here also mention about in case any constant we will be not able to take of your candidature forward, it will proceed with the LOI cancellation. So guys, here about the mentions of the LOI. So guys, just don't wait for about the LOI expiration. So just calm yourself, because after the LOI expiration, because most of the candidate have just expired their LOI letter of intent in May and April. So just don't worry about the LOI expiration. So just wait for the opportunity. If you're not getting the mail about the onboarding, most probably you will get the information in upcoming days, like having the. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you get the information what I'm trying to say about their onboarding update for the 17th of August of the Mphasis candidate. If I get any information, I will just inform through my video. Thank you guys for watching this video.